What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another tech review. This time we're looking at the Mactrem lightweight portable tripod. And this is it. This is what you get. It's already open, so let's check it out. So as I mentioned, this is a tripod, 59-inch total height. It's by Mactrem. You can go by and check them out on the Amazon store. I'm going to leave a link below so you can do that. But this is what you get. You actually get this tripod right here with the three-way poly head mount. It has a quick release plate on it. It has nice movable gripping feet at the bottom. You get this piece here, cell phone holder. Comes in, holds any size cell phone that you would have. And you get this cool carrying case. Just inserts. Get instructions on the inside. Basically tells you how to work everything. We're going to sit those to the side. Let's go ahead and jump right into the product. So starting out, opening up is a breeze. It really takes well. All the moving parts work really well. They're really seamless working together. Looking up at our 3-axis head, you get all kinds of tilt motions. You get nice angles. Everything fits. Everything looks good on it. This is one of my favorite parts. This quick release clip comes off just like that, one snap. The bottom, everything fits really well and is really smooth. It just goes back in and clips, and there you go. Everything is really stable. Your motions are nice and fluid. You get, check this out. There we go. Goes all the way up. You can lock it in place right down here. You got nice locking mechanisms. It's not going to fall. You get an 11-pound load on the top. So as you're pressing down, nothing goes in. And you also are able to put some of your heavier devices, heavier cameras, your Nikons, your Sonys. You can pop those in and have no problem with it holding steady. You get foam grips right here on the front, so you're not carrying a hard piece of metal around when you have to move this. On the bottom, you actually get a nice connective hook. Now, for the final test, I'm going to actually let all these feet up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it is as tall as it can be. So let's check this out. But before we do so, let's take a look at this attachment of the cell phone holder. It's a breeze. You're just going to sit it on there like that. Screw it in. Once it's screwed on, you just reconnect your quick release adapter and boom, there you go. Attach any size cell phone you need right there. Easy as can be. Now we're going to let it back up and let's see how this looks when it's standing all the way up. There we go. Total height of 59 inches. And I'm almost at eye level with this. It's coming up right to my chest. Really nice height. It's very sturdy. You don't have to worry about this tilting over. It has a nice posturing angle. It fits really well. I mean, it's very sturdy, made out of nice materials, has nice levelers on there. You can see my leveler right here. And it even has another level right up here under that quick release adapter. Our feet on the bottom are nice and adjustable. You don't have to worry about them being at different angles because they're going to adjust to whatever surface they're on. So everything really looks good, looks nice. It's very sturdy. Everything flows well with this device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link below to this so you can go check it out for yourself. This is the Mactrem tripod. It's a lightweight tripod. It's made for mainly travel. That's why you get that nice size, that nice form factor. But it's going to be one of the best devices that you can have for your outdoor videos as well as your blogging and your vlogs. So I hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.